I'm Tim Trotter, and today I'm going to go over how to make audio compatible with the iPhone. Now, pretty much most audio files are compatible with the iPhone. You just need to drag them into iTunes and sync. But there is one that isn't, and that's WMA. That's Windows Media Audio. Now, let's say a friend has sent you a file that's in WMA. It's not working. We're going to need to download